Hi friends, welcome to Dreambook. Today I am going to tell about how to get 10 lakh certification courses for free from GitHub. Let's start the video. Let's go to the GitHub official website github.com. Actually, GitHub is an open source code hosting platform for version control, sort of like a cloud for code. It hosts your source code projects in a variety of different programming languages and it keeps track of various changes made. It lets you and others work together on projects from anywhere. And one more main information, it belongs to Microsoft. Let's see how to get this free pack. Hit the GitHub education website. Click the first one. If we browse inside this site, we will see many options. In that, we are going to see about GitHub Student Developer Pack. GitHub Student Developer Pack is one of the best resources that will get students started as developers. Not only do we get free access to all GitHub Pro features, and you will also get access to over more than 100 different developer tools and courses to keep you busy. If we click Get Your Pack, it will go to the GitHub registration page. Before that, we will see the benefits in this pack. Canva, which give us a benefit of professional editing graphics and design with thousands of templates in normal pack already, and here they are giving pro pack features for up to 1 year, which is totally free for students. Microsoft Azure. Azure is a cloud service. They are giving free access to 25 plus Microsoft Azure cloud service plus $100 credit in Azure credit. And note that they mentioned no credit card required. Basically, if we hit the Azure platform, it asks for credit card, but here it's free. Name.com, which gives benefit of domain names, web hosting and websites, and they're giving one free domain name and a free advanced security with protection for 1 year. Like Name.com, there is another tool Namecheap, which is also hosting and domain management, which gives 1 year free domain name registration. GitHub, they are giving the pro version for code review. JetBrains for professional desktop IDEs, DigitalOcean, Bootstrap Studio for backend developers, Frontend Master for front-end development, Unity. Once in a lifetime, we see this while playing games, which is a gaming developing software, and half of the world games created in this software, and they are giving this is free for students. More developer tools are available like 1 month, Datacamp, Terminus, NetWise, MongoDB for database, testmail.com, Azover, Interview Cake for interview preparation, Adreno for empower scientists and artists with pro feature pack, Thinkful, Deep Source. There are more than 100 developer tools worth more than 10 lakhs, which all available for free year. So let's see how to get this pack. Click Get Your Pack. It will go to sign up page or sign in page. We have to enter username or email address, password. Before that, we have to check the eligibility. To be eligible for the GitHub Student Developer Pack, you must enrolled in a college degree, diploma, school, college, university, homeschool or any other educational institution. You should have a verifiable school issued email address or upload documents that prove your current student status. In Indian schools, college, they don't give email address, so we have to upload documents. And you must have GitHub user account and at least 13 years old. You can upload document like school, college ID with the current enrollment date. Let's see how to apply for this pack. Go to GitHub education site and then click Get Benefits at top right. Select your academic status as student as you've seen below. Add your school email address. If you have school issued email address, get speedy review for registration. Or you can upload documents to prove your academic status. Use your camera to take picture of your school or college ID. Please make sure that at least one date that demonstrates your current academic status is clearly visible. Optionally, you can change the camera you want to use by clicking the drop down and then take a picture like this by clicking the take photo, or you can upload a document by upload image. PDF files are not supported, so you can't upload them as a proof of your academic status. And then enter your school name. Describe your comments in 2 to 3 lines for how you planning to use the GitHub. Finally, submit your application. Normally it will take minimum 1 week or maximum 3 weeks to get application approved. You will receive a confirmation mail once approved. In case if you have any issues in registration process, you can see the GitHub blog site for help. They will clearly explain how to proceed further. You can see here how to get GitHub Student Developer Pack without a student ID, what documentation required, who is eligible, what proof needed to apply, how to submit your application with the date, and many more inquiries available in the GitHub blog site. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like this video, comment your feedback that your application approved or not, and share with your friends and relatives. Finally, please subscribe to Dreambook.